Thank you for your interest in NuVue's winter shrub cover. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your cover. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they are easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Remove cover from storage bag. Step 2. Hold onto cover tightly and carefully remove safety strap. Take care when doing this, as the cover is under extreme tension and will spring open. Step 3. Allow cover to unfold. It will open into a large circle. Step 4. Hold both ends of the rod firmly as they are under tension. Carefully disconnect and remove the two plastic connectors that are holding the fiberglass rod ends together. Keep the connectors as they will be used when you store the cover. Step 5. Remove the end of the fiberglass rod from the corner pocket hole. Reinsert the fiberglass rod ends into the corner pockets so that the rod ends are covered. Step 6. Remove ground stakes from inside cover. Step 7. Tie all inside strings around fiberglass frames to secure cover to the rods. Step 8. Place cover over shrub or plant you wish to protect. Step 9. Insert the ground spikes through the NuVue Materials tab around the bottom of the winter cover. With a rubber mallet, hammer the ground spikes into the ground at a 45-degree angle to properly secure the cover. Disassembly. Step 1. Remove the ground spikes, securing the cover to the ground. Step 2. Remove the rods from the corner pockets and install the plastic connectors to each end of the same rod so that the rod now forms a circle. Place both circles together. Step 3. Place your foot over both rod circles at the bottom and twist fiberglass into a figure 8. Step 4. Fold both circles of the figure 8 together and place strap around cover. Step 5. Place cover in bag provided. Step 6. Store in a dry place until next use.